Welcome to Making Wonders. Did you know that after harvesting bananas, the massive stems are usually thrown away as waste? But today, we are taking you inside a futuristic factory that turns this agricultural waste into a high-value treasure. Before we start this amazing process, please hit that subscribe button to support our channel. The process begins with the sorting and cleaning department. Since these stems come directly from the mud and soil of the farm, they must be thoroughly washed before any fiber can be extracted. After washing, the stems are cut into uniform lengths to fit the processing machines. This step is fully automated to ensure precision. A banana stem is not solid wood. It is made up of tightly wrapped layers, similar to a giant onion. To get the best fiber, we use automated machines to peel these layers apart delicately, separating the coarse outer green sheaths from the valuable silk like inner white layers. This is the heart of the operation, the decorticator. This powerful machine uses high-speed rotating beaters to crush the fleshy pulp of the banana sheath, revealing the strong, continuous fibers hidden inside. The extracted fiber is still coated in natural sap and gum, making it sticky and cream-colored. To transform it into a soft, bright white material suitable for high-end textiles, it must undergo a process called biopolishing. Now perfectly clean, the fibers enter the massive industrial drying tunnel. Precise temperature and airflow control are crucial here to evaporate moisture gently without making the natural fibers brittle. Dried banana fiber is naturally messy and tangled. Before it can be spun into yarn, it needs to be straightened and aligned. We use automated hackling machines, essentially giant robotic combs, to perform this task. To transport this lightweight material efficiently to the spinning section, it is compressed into dense, standardized bales. Now, the raw fiber bales arrive at the spinning wing of the factory. Here, the coarse fibers are refined, twisted, and spun into strong, fine yarn that rivals cotton or linen in quality. The high-strength banana yarn is now ready for weaving. Giant industrial looms interlace thousands of threads at lightning speed to create a sustainable, breathable, and durable fabric. The result is a versatile, eco-friendly textile. It can be dyed naturally and turned into everything from luxury clothing to biodegradable packaging material. This is the future of sustainable fashion. Turning agricultural waste into wealth. This factory proves that sustainability and high technology can go hand in hand. Thank you for watching this incredible journey on making wonders.